Hello everyone, this is Medha. I'm from Raipur and I came here through Maxim Consultancy. I am currently pursuing MBBS first year in Kemerovo State Medical University, and we live in Kyrgyzstan here in a private hostel provided by Maxim Consultancy, and we are provided excellent facilities by the consultancy, and the university is not so far from here. It's very near. Main gate, we enter through here. This is an exit card provided to us by the receptionist. My room, it's a 6-seater room, but we only live 4 people here. And this is our room card. We have 2 extra beds here, but they're not in use. We have 4 wardrobes here, 2 heaters here and there, and 2 windows. On the same floor, we have an office for Maxim. Here our representative Adim Bhaiya lives. If we have any trouble or problems, we can come to him anytime 24/7. Provided 4 beds here, a table, chairs, wardrobe, drawers. The mattress is very comfortable. Kitchen, though we are provided a mess, but we can cook anytime here because we are provided inductions and microwaves. We can also watch TV here and listen to music anytime. Here we get all our meals. The food is kept here, we can serve ourselves. Dining hall, very easy, and this is the crockery rack. This is the water filter. We can also reheat our food in this microwave for us. And this is also a water filter for warm water. A fridge, a microwave, a dishwasher, another microwave, and a TV here. And we also have 2 sinks to wash dishes. I'm going to show you the mess. We are provided 3 meals a day: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Here we get our food, and this is where we eat.